closer to home, you may have seen her cruising around town in her bookmobile, and her passion for literacy is well known in the community.
It is. We've interviewed her many times for different projects here at 3 News. Chrishawndra Matthews is the founder of Literacy in the Hood. She firmly believes in her mission, which is invest in young minds one book at a time.
Well, since 2017, her Cleveland-based nonprofit thrives from book donations in an effort to build a culture of reading in Cleveland's low-income neighborhoods. Well, she was even on the Kelly Clarkson show last year, where Kelly donated $5,000 and the bookmobile van for her program.
Well, this week, Chrishawndra's basement flooded with a couple of inches of water, where she stores nearly 2,500 of those books. And now, most of those books are indeed damaged.
Because I lost a lot of books and material that I use in the inner city. And, you know, it's really not about me. I know, or my tag is investing in minds one book at a time. So the books are bigger than me. And I can tell when I meet the children in the community who's reading and who's not. So me just pulling up and being able to provide books is my piece of contributing to the pie. So when I went down and just saw what was destroyed, you know, it feels sort of like a setback right now.
You can tell how committed she is to our community. Well, we do have some great news to tell you about. Organizations like United Black Fund heard what happened, and they jumped right in to help by donating $1,000 to Literacy in the Hood so Chrishawndra can replace those damaged books. But if you would like to donate, we have a link on our website at WKYC.com.